Hi everybody, welcome to our Shumatt's channel. This is Caitlin. Today the product we're going to show you is our fuel injector. If you're interested about this one, then follow me. Let's take a look. Firstly, the outside package is the white notch box. The product code is 0445120 Support customized service. Let's take a look. Firstly, you can see each spare part we already use protection covers to protect it. Firstly, let's check the solenoid valve here. And on the one side, you will see the QR code and the product code print on this position. And on the middle part is the control valve here with two apertures. This is the oil inlet. And now another one is the oil outlet. This is the injector nozzle. Each product we Shumatt support a 6 months warranty time, so you got the quality guaranteed. And before we send out the delivery, 3 times common will test. After that, we make sure the quality we will send out the delivery to our customers. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time here. Wish you have a good day. See you.